Tired of workforce management feeling like a circus? Let's tame the chaos with UKG Workforce Central. First, access UKG Workforce Central through your company's provided web portal or mobile app. Enter your unique username and password. Then click Login to access the system. Employees can easily clock in and out for shifts using the timekeeping feature on the dashboard. Find the clock in, out button and tap it to record your start and end times. Ensure your location services are enabled if required by your organization. Need to request time off? Navigate to the Time Off tab, select the type of leave, specify the dates, and provide a brief reason. Then click Submit Request, which will send it to your manager for approval. Managers, you can review and approve time off requests in the Manager Self-Service section. Access the Requests tab to see pending submissions. Click on a request to view details, then select Approve or Deny, adding a comment if necessary. Creating schedules is simple. Go to the Scheduling module, select the employee and date range, then drag and drop shifts, or use the Schedule Template feature to assign work hours. Publish the schedule to notify employees. Administrators can generate comprehensive reports on employee data through the Reporting module. Customize reports to track time, attendance, labor costs, and compliance. Export the data in various formats for further analysis. Administrators also manage system configurations and integrations with other HR and payroll systems. Access the Administration section to configure settings, manage user permissions, and connect to third-party applications. By mastering these key features, both employees and managers can streamline workforce management processes, improve efficiency, and ensure accurate data, making your work life a whole lot easier.